When it comes to email marketing, two of the most popular names that always come up are Sendinblue and Mailchimp. So, which one is more feature-rich, and which one should you actually choose for your business? Let's break it down and find out. Both platforms offer robust email marketing solutions, but the question is, which one provides more value for your money? Let's start with Sendinblue. First off, Sendinblue is known for offering a lot of value in its free plan. It includes email marketing, SMS campaigns, transactional emails, and more. If you need a wide range of marketing tools with a user-friendly interface, Sendinblue is a solid choice. But, and here's the catch, Sendinblue limits the number of emails you can send on the free plan to 300 per day, which can feel restrictive for anyone running a larger campaign. Next thing, Sendinblue stands out for its advanced automation features. You can create automated workflows based on user behaviors, set up lead scoring, and even trigger actions like sending SMS or transactional emails. The CRM features are also quite good, allowing you to manage contacts with ease. But despite this, you might find that its reporting features, while functional, aren't as intuitive or detailed as you might expect for the price. Now, onto Mailchimp. While Mailchimp has a more recognizable name in the industry, it's also more expensive than Sendinblue, especially when you start adding advanced features. It's best known for its sleek, user-friendly interface and design capabilities. If you're all about creating visually stunning emails, Mailchimp does have the upper hand, with more options to create highly customizable templates. Next thing, Mailchimp offers strong automation too, including customer journeys and trigger-based emails. However, compared to Sendinblue's workflow automations, Mailchimp can feel a little less flexible. Also, Mailchimp's reporting features are more extensive, offering insights into customer behavior, campaign performance, and detailed split testing. But here's the downside. The higher tier features come at a significant price, and if you want access to full reporting or other advanced tools, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Next up, let's talk pricing. Sendinblue's pricing is based on the number of emails you send, rather than the number of subscribers, which is a huge bonus if you have a smaller list but send frequent emails. Mailchimp, on the other hand, charges based on the number of subscribers, meaning if you have a growing email list, you could be paying a lot more. The fourth thing we need to mention is the integrations. Both platforms offer solid integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, but Sendinblue also has a more extensive API, giving you more flexibility to integrate with other tools you might use. Mailchimp is improving in this area, but some of its integrations are locked behind higher tier plans. And here's the twist. While both platforms have strong features, there's one solution I've found that outshines both Sendinblue and Mailchimp for growing businesses and email campaigns. I've tried them all, and if you're serious about leveling up your email marketing without breaking the bank, there's a better alternative. So, while Sendinblue and Mailchimp are good options, especially for different use cases, the one that offers more features and better flexibility for businesses focused on growth is the one I'm linking below. If you want the best free trial and exclusive benefits for our viewers, make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's a game changer for those who want more without paying extra for every feature.